Hi guys! Today we are going to be able to interpret the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve division using units 6 and 7. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first problem. Problem 1 reads, Thad sees 7 beetles when he weeds his garden. Each beetle has 6 legs. That should be many, legs are there on 7 beetles? Let's go ahead and annotate. So Thad sees 7 beetles when he weeds his garden. Each beetle has 6 legs. How many legs are there on 7 beetles? So I'm trying to figure out how many legs there are on 7 beetles. For this problem, we can draw a tape diagram to represent the problem. So here's my tape diagram. And I'm going to draw 7 beetles, so I'm going to break my unit up into 7 units. And each beetle has 6 legs, so I'm going to write 6 in each unit. I am going to use a variable to represent the unknown. I'm going to use the letter B for beetle's legs to represent the unknown. To figure out how many legs there are on 7 beetles, I know I would have to multiply 7 groups of 6. But my unknown is how many legs there are. So instead of putting a question mark down for my unknown, I'm going to put a variable B to represent my unknown. My multiplication problem to represent this tape diagram would be 7 groups of 6 equals B, because that's the number of legs I'm trying to find. B equals 7 times 6 is 42. So B equals 42. I used a variable to represent the unknown here. Let's take a look at the problem set. Watch as I model how to complete the first one. The directions read, match the words to the correct equation. A number times 6 equals 30. Number is what I'm trying to find, so I'm going to use the variable n for number. So a number, or n, times 6 equals 30. I'm now going to match what I wrote to the correct equation. And there it is, second one down. A number times 6 equals 30. You're going to complete the whole first page of the problem set. When you are finished with the first page, complete all of the second. You will complete all of the second once you're done with the first page. Make sure that you are representing the unknown using a variable. Pause the video to complete these problems. When you have finished, hit play and check your work with mine. Are you ready? Go ahead and pause. Check your work with mine. Pause the first page if you need more time to check your answers. Take a look at the second page. Pause the video here and check to make sure that you have all the correct work, variables, and statement forms as I do. Awesome job today interpreting the unknown in multiplication and division to model and solve problems using 6 and 7. Look up to the board to follow the next step. Bye guys!